see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Hi, good morning. Good morning. Palis kami.
Yeah, that's for the shop that did my watch fix. It's the shop, not the grocery shop. Bye.
Yes, baby, I'm gonna drive now. Si Sak gusto niya ipalagyan ng battery yung ano niya, yung
Watch.
watch.
It's right here. You just take the battery out, just put it in this rack. That's it.
Okay. Can mommy talk?
Time back from mom.
Ito yung first grocery namin for this year. Hindi kami nagpunta ng Mount after New Year. Yeah, after Christmas. Yeah, hindi pa kayo pupunta ng Mount. So, ito yung first time namin na pumunta ng town na kaming kasama ko yung tatlo kong anak. Kasi wala pa silang pasok. Today pala is January 7. Is it right, Kuya?
Yep.
Yeah, so ito yung first grocery natin. And magla-lunch kami, right? Do you want to have a lunch?
Yes. I
Yeah.
came out and give me that drink.
Yes, of course you can have to drink.
And,
Banana shake?
Yes. I want
Ano?
mango shake.
Okay, ready, get set? 1, 2.
Three.
Okay.
Check my shake. Chocolate.
Chocolate shake. Okay, so mamaya na lang. I don't think so they have mango, Kuya. Okay, go. Mag-order ako ng ayan, dito na kami sa food court sa Kmart. Si Kuya is having hot dog with mustard and banana smoothie. And si Sak, what's that, Sak? Tell them. Sushi. Ayan, favorite niya. And chocolate milkshake. And ito yung akin yung fruit. Si Holly, she's having hot dog as well like Kuya. Ayan. Ubus na ni Sak yung isa, oh. Here's the tissue, Baba. And ito yung akin. Ito yung tinatawag nilang kebab. Ayan. Na mayroon siyang garlic sauce and sweet chili sauce. What's that, Baba? Drink? Can you help her, Kuya, please? Drink. Slowly, oh. Yeah, you can try my drink. Let Sak have a try too. Is it good? Next time. You like it? Hi, Baba. Wait, Baba, you're... Say good? Si Kuya ayaw niya magpakita. What? This one? Gusto nilang itry yung ano ko. Okay, wait, Baba. Okay? You like it? Come on, sir. Oops, here, ang iya. Wait. Haha, your turn. Wait. What? Oh. try. What? Your turn? They good? Yeah? That's Yaki, Baba. Yaki. You wanna drink? Please? Alright, let's go, big Baba. Small one. Si Holly, naubos niya rin yung isang hotdog. Well done, Baba. Kinain? That's Yaki. Yeah. Do you want more, Zach? Do you want more? Okay, you can have that one. Yeah, you have to share it with Holly, okay? Wala, tatlo. You can have it. Si Yami? Not yet, Baba. Let's go. What you gonna say to Kuya? What you gonna say, Kuya Zach? Pangatlo niya na yan, oh. Thank you. Wow. Hollywood fries. Naglaro sila dyan habang kumakain ako. Okay. Kuya Sak, she wants to see.
Holy, have water.
Come on, Papa, let's go. We're gonna put in the table. Let's go. Okay, let's go. You have to finish it though. Come on. Wow, what's that? Okay. Yeah.
From top.
Yes. Baba, come here. May nagtitindang Lego doon. We have to finish that before we go inside. Punta kami ng Kmart. Yes. Need a cart, Baba. I finish it. You know, tinapon ko na sa basura. Wala dyan, Baba. I finish it. I put it in the bin. It's yucky now. Come on, let's go. Come on, Kuya. Akin na. Okay, hurry up. Up. Yes. Yes. Look, what? What? Oh, sa swimming niya daw, oh. Horsey. Sa swimming niya kasi ganyan. Okay. Okay, put it back. Let's go. Come on. Hanap si Sak ng pads kasi gas-gas na ang tuhod niya sa kakafall sa sa bisikleta. Come on. Oh, you have your helmet, Baba. What color is that? Pink. Favorite niya, pink. Yeah, you ready? Yeah, this is yours. Ganyan yung kanya. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, the same as solid. Okay, let's go. Yes, okay. Yeah, it's sold out though. No. Okay, come on, let's go. It's not fit to you, Kuya. Wala na yung yung pads. Ano na? Sold out na daw. Come on. Get your bubble machine. Come on.
Got a pair of wheels?
Where is it? You want that one? Okay, get Holly one. Okay. Oh yeah.
I need on the roof. I'll fill up my bubble machine.
Okay, let's go. That's it. Come on.
Fill up my bubble
Okay.
machine.
So yan na lang. Walang
I don't want to fill up my bubble machine. I'm just gonna blow it.
Okay, let's go. Mag-grocery na tayo. Come on.
I got blue. Mom, Holly. Mom,
Yes?
you Holly have me?
Yeah. What color is yours, Holly?
Pink.
Pink.
Mine's
Okay.
blue. Orange. Yes. Orange.
Okay. Come on. Ano yan?
Can we get these buildings? Gun? Please.
You want one? It's nothing there. It's yucky. It tastes yucky to you. So what? Bubble machine? We don't need bubble machine. What about that?
These are for the
Okay, let's go. Eto, bumili si Sak ng... Eto yan.
That's when you're hot. Oh, that's more.
Okay, let's go.
Are you hot?
No, I'm not. Okay, let's go.